The future of transportation is here, and electric vehicles are leading the charge. But the real revolution, AI-powered EVs, artificial intelligence is transforming how we drive. Self-driving cars powered by AI are learning to navigate cities, avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions, making driving safer and smarter. AI doesn't just power the car, it optimizes energy use. Future EVs will seamlessly connect to smart grids, charging at the best times to reduce energy costs, and even sending power back to the grid when demand is high. As AI evolves, so will our cars, reducing traffic, accidents, and emissions. Imagine a world where your car predicts the best route, avoids delays, and minimizes your carbon footprint. The future is electric and intelligent. With AI, EVs will be more efficient, affordable, and integrated into our daily lives. Stay with Globecast for more insights on how AI and EVs are shaping the world of tomorrow.